Ready to ditch the realtor and pocket more cash when selling your house? First, you've got to understand what you're up against. Selling for sale by owner, or FSBO, means you handle everything a realtor normally would. That's pricing, marketing, negotiations, and all the legal stuff. Let's start with pricing. Don't just guess. Research comparable sales in your area using online tools, and consider getting a professional appraisal to determine your home's true market value. A competitive price attracts more buyers. Next is marketing. High-quality photos are essential. Stage your home to show its best features and write a compelling description highlighting key selling points. Get your listing everywhere: Zillow, Trulia, Facebook Marketplace, even a simple website. The more eyes on your property, the better. Consider running targeted social media ads to reach potential buyers in your area. Finally, the legal stuff. Real estate contracts can be complex, so don't skip this step. Hire a real estate attorney to review all documents and guide you through the closing process. This protects you from potential legal issues down the road. Selling FSBO requires effort, but with the right strategies and resources, you can successfully navigate the process and keep those commission dollars in your own pocket. Good luck.